Come with me as I pick a few items from the grocery store. So, unang item na makikita natin na kinuha ko ay Charmy wipes. And also, yung second item ay napkin. So, I got the Sister Night Plus, as you can see. I'm only getting a few items kasi I'm actually on a budget. Plus, originally, sabon lang naman talaga yung pinunta ko. Pero, I ended up taking other things. So, as you can see, medyo inaayos ko lang yung angle ng camera. Inaris ko dyan yung pork ko. And may nilagay akong bar soap from Safeguard, yung Camellia soap. And nakatingala na kayo. Nakatingala na yung camera. And I'm searching for my favorite snack. At hindi ko siya mahanap kasi wala siya sa usual yung pinaglalagyan. So, it took me some time to actually find it. Yan ang laman ng basket. Yung payong ko, yung wipes, yung sabon at yung napkin. So, ayun yung favorite snack ko. Ano siya, sampalok. Money Gold yung name niya. Money Gold. It's made from Thailand. My voice is kinda hoarse right now. Yan. Safeguard, yung Camellia Rose, pero yung tatluhan na siya. And hindi ko na kinuha yung nauna kong sabon na nilagay. Iniwan ko na siya. Tapos yung tatluhan na lang yung nilagay ko. Anyways, that's it for this video. Bye!